What is a quadruped robot? If you would have asked me that question 3 months ago, I would tell you I have no idea what you just said. But to answer the question, a quadruped robot is simply a robot with 4 legs. My research over the summer consisted of the design and the manufacturing of a lightweight quadruped robot main body. But before I get into that, I'd like to introduce you to somebody. This here is Ramon, the biped. As opposed to the quadruped, Ramon has 2 legs, hence the name biped. Up to now, tests have been run on Ramon to analyze the movements of a biped robot, but now the lab has decided to implement 4 legs onto the robot. And that's where I come in. My job was not only to design the main body of the robot, but also to make it as light as possible. Keeping the body light would allow the robot to use less energy. So how did I do it? Well, to make the design, I used a CAD software called Siemens NX. The version that I used was the 8.0 version. Before this program, I had absolutely no experience with this software. I had experience with other CAD software, but not this one in particular. And so, I powered through tutorial after tutorial after tutorial until I felt like I had the hang of it enough to start on the actual robot. I met frequently with the other grad students and my mentor to make sure that the design was coming out how it should be going. And after many attempts, I finally got it. I designed the body to have its panels made out of carbon fiber, and all the metal components that were going to be attached to it would be aluminum. This would keep the body as light as we possibly could make it. Once I had the design done, I started ordering the parts. Once I got all the parts that I needed, I took them down to the machine shop and started making the parts that I would need to put the robot body together. Due to some complications, I was not able to put together the entire robot, but I was able to make some good progress on it. Once the parts that need to be completed are completed, tests will be run on the newly built quadruped to analyze the movements of a quadruped robot. And through the use of light materials, this will be done while using the least amount of energy possible.